finessing. Straight up, I can't go one day without finessing. Finessing. I can't help bro, I admit it, we straight off finessing. Straight up, finessing. I can't go one day without finessing.
What's good, YouTube? This your boy, J Diggy 92. Hot as fuck. Cause I got this thick ass fleece on. That won't roll up. God damn. They wouldn't fuck. If I'm looking this way, it's cause my girl's standing right here. So, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
Fuck, I gotta take my glasses. Fuck. Y'all, I'm hot as shit. And it ain't even like it's hot in here. I don't need it. It's not like it's, you can give me some water though. Appreciate it. But yeah, it's cause these shoes is fire. That's why I like this, baby. Well, we hope they fire. We gotta wait for the ice. My camera like to pick up on sounds that shouldn't be picked up, but don't like to pick up on my damn voice. But today we got a unboxing. Thank you. Today we got an unboxing from the homies at Goot. Them niggas said, fuck it, we need to get this nigga back. He been doing StockX unboxings and shit. He don't fuck with us no more. We gotta lower these prices, cuz. The other niggas, my nigga Squid was just like, yeah, we gotta get that nigga Diggy back. Him and all his 200 subs. But yeah, I don't know how these gonna turn out. I wanted to open these joints last night, but I decided to wait. Fuck that, I don't want to scratch the shoe. I don't even think it's no box. But it was a fucking steal, and it was a grail, so I had to. I'm nervous because I don't like these joints is old, but they're not. Like I can see them, but I can't see them. Y'all see? You see the new package go new shit in?
Oh yeah, I saw it with the sticker.
Moment of truth. Oh, these joints right. Damn. These joints are small as hell. Okay. I had to make sure they was the right damn size, cause these bitches look small as fuck. But today we got the Raging Bull. Who? Nah, the Raging Bull 5s. I actually got them in size 11. These is like one of my grails. And I never buy them because they're always so fucking expensive. Like, looking at them, I don't know. Like, I fuck with them, but then it's like, you know how much I paid for these? Like, these one of my grails, and so I wanted to cop the jump. And what I was worried about the most is sole separation. Like old shoes, I'm always worried about sole separation. Like right here, we got a little bit. It's not like a lot, but like it's still, the sole is still hard to where I could wear these.
$195.
Yes, I paid $195 for these. Thank you. There was a cheaper pair that I could have bought, but them joints was fucked up. These is just like the red on it is like not like dingy, it's like it's fading. So, but for like 200, I can't really beat it. I think I just need to clean this bitch, and it'll be cool. But overall, I like the shoe. It's just the nigga photoshopped some shit or something. this in the picture. Oh, never mind. It's just oh, this that ashy. Oh, it's ashy suede. Okay, makes sense now. Cause I was like, why this bitch so ashy? But I could do some of my restoration techniques and shit and clean these bitches. Cause he damn sure don't believe in it. But overall, yeah, he definitely don't clean. Bruh, I wiped this air bubble off. It was so much dirt that just came out this bitch. But out of 10, I'll give these a what? I'll give them a you know what? We ain't even gonna rate it. Fuck it. We'll save it for the real review. This ain't even a real review. I keep trying to do like the real review at the unboxing, but these are dope. I just gotta see how they look when I clean them, because these bitches is dirty as fuck. Like, I hate niggas that can't clean shoes. It's not that hard. Like, it's too many shoe cleaners out this bitch to where your shoes should not be looking ran the fuck over. Like, yeah, I know these is old and shit, but golly, fuck. And like, they ain't even in bad condition. It's just this nigga don't believe in cleaning. Like, I don't know what it is when motherfuckers don't believe in cleaning shoes. That shit killed me. But yeah, overall, I feel like I came up. It was a steal. So shout out to GOAT one time. This year, all I'm copping is grills. Grills are new releases. So if it ain't a new release, it's gonna be a grill. And if it ain't a grill, it's gonna be some hype shit. So yeah, this is what 2018 is for me. It's the year of the grill, nigga. Fuck it. But yeah, just a little quick unboxing. Raging Bull 5's full review should be coming. Go watch all the other videos. Watch that quadruple upload that I did this last Saturday. The black cement and white cements. So yeah, go check that out. Go watch all my other vids. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. You wanna follow me on anything? You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. JDiggy92. Oh yeah, I can't even believe I forgot to say it. Nigga, join the fucking God Squad, nigga. Cause we gods in this bitch, nigga. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all up out of here. I'm kinda hot. And we got places to go. So yeah, this has been your boy JDiggy92. Follow our page for Next God Masterpiece. Yeah, man. I love y'all. And like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. The review coming Saturday.